put it on your head. Yeah.
I told you we have two types of mixing. We have the slow mix and the what? Fast mix. So you first mix your dough on slow for 4 minutes. Then you go to fast mix, which is how many minutes? 8 minutes.
For the past years, I've been baking, but today I'm opportunity to learn from Macadams baking system. I'm really happy to see them working, and it's easier with the machines. All these machines, I've not seen them before except from the oven, because in our class you use your hand to mix your batter and your dough, but Macadams baking system made it easier.
I want to thank the Special Foundation for bringing Macadam baking system to teach us how they're making bread and cookies. I had so much fun when they're making this, and I can't wait to taste them. They are so sweet.
It is wonderful one being here for about 4 days now. It has not really been that easy, but it's worth it. Meeting with wonderful children, students here for the training, it's something that is worthwhile. Some can be funny, but it's good to impart life, so I believe it's a good one.
So, this is your pan, right? Yeah? Well, you start from here. We are going there. You can come up with any shape which you like, which you think in your head. Baking is like art, you understand? So whatever you think you want, you can do it. Actually, I enjoyed my training. It seems the kids are very excited. Let's hope we will continue to train them in near future.
The idea to partner with the Special Foundation actually came through our MD, who is an advocate for impacting lives positively. And we had this thought of the initiative to bring our equipment down into the heart of Makoko. Looking at the experience for the 4 days that we've been here, it's been wonderful. Seeing them learn something is actually very rewarding for us. And this is what we intend to do in the course of the years. And we hope that this training was rewarding for the students as it is for us.
From today, Macadams with Roydek Academy and the Special Foundation graduated over 100 children. They all have their certificate. We're able to have Mr. and Mrs. Macadams. They can all be able to start up something, not just bread. There are other pastries that they can be able to start. From Roydek Academy and from myself, thank you and God bless you. See you next summer school.